Hello everyone. Today to pass the time, I was working on practicing while hacking, and I figured, I should probably make a video of this. I'm sure people would be interested in this. So this video is the very basics of hacking. Now, first, for legal purposes, I'm going to say that I do not encourage you using this for any illegal activities. This is just for learning purposes only, and whatever you do with it is not my fault. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, there are a few bare minimum things you're going to want to need. Well, yeah, bare minimum things you need, and that would be Notepad and an internet browser, obviously, that can view HTML. Now, if you want to go to the real hacking stuff, you're going to want to get Linux, Firefox, the Firebug add-on for Firefox, Tor, and there are a few other things that I don't have in memory that I'm still looking for to get. Obviously, I have Linux, but I'm just not using it right now because I'm still just getting familiar with it. So I just want to stick to something I'm familiar with. But I do have Firefox and the Firebug add-on. All right, and one more thing before I start. I'm to showcase all this. I'm using this internet security site called Hack This Site. I'll put the link in it. Put the link in the description of the video. So let's get started. Our first thing is we are looking to get a password file that is saved in a directory. So how am I going to go about doing this? Wait, I should probably, yeah, hold on a second. I have to do something really quick so I can, hold on, I'm just going to stop recording. Okay, I'm back. So what I was trying to do is make it so this didn't show because I already did all this stuff and the answers are just right there, but I can't figure out how to do it, so I'm just going to go on with it. So this thing right here it's in the form of a calendar. So if I enter a year, say 2011, it'll show me the calendar for the year. But now I have to use Unix commands to try and find the password. So there's the Unix command ls, which lists stuff in the directory. So if I just did that, nothing pops up because it's not a year. So I have to put it in the form of the year. So let's say I do 2011, then I do the semicolon and then ls. We could scroll down and look at that. We got stuff right here. And somewhere in that's the answer, but since I already did, I'm not going to bother with it. So we're going to go on to the next thing, which would be this. So we're still looking for a password file, but it's saved in this right here. So we're looking at here something where what are we looking at here? Submit. Okay, so it saves a file and it lists something and then tells you how many characters your name contains. So we're going to extort this PHP script using a special command that goes like this. That exclamation mark dash dash where is it? Pound EXEC space CMD equals quote ls space dot dot slash, which means it's going to list the home directory. Then you go quote dot dot arrow, press enter, save file, and there we have it, the answers. Oh, oops. I have to reset this one. Alright, and now here's one. It's a test website that I have to hack. What I'm trying to do is I have to get this band at the bottom up to the top for some guy. So so the voting thing is in the form of a PHP script. So I'm going to extort that using the Firebug add-on. And so we're going to go, actually, I'm going to start. We're going to go right click, inspect element, which will bring it up and it highlights what it's inspecting. So go there, click, and then select. We go to the select vote thing. Ooh, the answer's still on here. Well, this was originally 5, but then we change it to 500. So when we hit vote, completed. Oh yeah, and then there's this one. This page was hacked and I have to get it back to its original thing. So we go into the source code. This is why you'd need an HTML viewer. And then we look. Oh, yeah, it's. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so go. Actually, I don't think. Here, we're just going to go to basic HTML. So we're going to do view page source, look around a bit, Remember, these are just testing, so they're made to be easy. So then we look old index.html is still there. So old index.html, enter, and we're back here. So then we go to submit poetry, and this is all in the form of PHP. So obviously, since the hackers extorted that, we're going to extort that. So we're going to go back. No, wait, first. We're going to type some stuff in to see how. Oh. See, this will be stored online immediately, but will not be listed until the main page. So we're going to use that to our advantage, and we're going to select all of this, copy, submit poetry, paste. Oh, right. Okay. So then for the name of the poem, we have to go extort this. So what this will do is it'll, I don't know exactly how to explain it because I'm not exactly sure how it works, but from what I know, it's going to go into the main directory to the index.html and paste this back there. So then we go add poem, and voila. And that is all I have. Now, these are just the basic things. They're not really going to work on any website unless you really know how it works. But if you want to do more, I'm going to put a few links you should check out into the description. And if you want to learn more about this thing, go ahead and use it. Remember, I'm teaching. Oh no, I can't say that because that'll void the disclaimer. If by some reason you do get the urge to use this, use it for good, alright? Well, that's all I have. See